Welcome back to Mob Mentality. Welcome to the garage. We officially finished it. The only thing I'm missing is to put the sign up front and then the light in the office. That's pretty much it, but besides that, we're ready to go. Everything is done. Let me just show you guys around real quick. This is the workbench with all the tools. More tools, detailing stuff over here. We got shelving over here. So all that's good. We just got oil, premix, coolant, rotary, STI shit. We got a Tommy in the back, you guys can see it because of this. And then we just have all the Peter stuff over here. Some of our tools. This is Peter's Challenger. He's got his engine board out. So we're gonna install the new parts for that, put it back together, boom, get it tuned, and we're set. This is my Rx7. Fucking love this car. I'm about to start working on this actually pretty soon. I'm probably gonna connect it with this video. But what I have to do is, I'm gonna start with fixing the switch. So right now, let me show you guys. You see like those red cables around? That's connected between like my motor for the window, and I have to connect this to the actual battery up front on the battery terminals, and it'll actually put it up and down because the window switches aren't working for some reason. But supposedly it's the fuse in the kick panel box. So I'm gonna work on that today actually and see if I can get that fixed. So I'm gonna have to take the door apart. I'm gonna take the seat out so I can get under there better because my 6 head ass won't fit. So yeah, let's work on that right now. Alright, so I'm gonna get the tools that we actually need to start. So first thing I'm gonna do is take off the seat, then I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and then I'm gonna play around with the kick panel, the fuses and shit. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited. I just wanna let y'all know that when you see me do some shit, I'm most likely gonna fuck it up. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm learning. I'm straight up just learning. But I mean, me and all my friends that work over here are all just learning every time we see it in the garage. But I promise myself that I'm gonna learn all this shit. I have like a really basic, like low level knowledge of what I'm doing. But I promise myself, anytime I touch this car, I'm going to record it and I'm gonna see my progression. I don't care if it takes me a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I'm going to record every little single thing I do. It could be one little bolt on this car, it's gonna get recorded. I'm gonna see that shit. But yeah, let's start on the seat. So this window thing has been a problem since I got the car. It hasn't worked. So the first day I went to go pick it up in Florida, the left side window didn't work at all. Like it stopped working, it said randomly. And we were driving the car, me and Yasmani, and we could not, we just couldn't stand it. It was too hot. So we drove back and they hooked it up with 2 cables over there. I drove it back to PA. Well, me and Yasmani drove it back to PA 15 hours. The right side stopped working like after a week, and we were like, what the fuck? So yeah, that has to get figured out for both sides, but I'm pretty sure it's a kick panel, so I'm gonna fuck around with that. If it's not, fuck me. I barely fit in this car. I'm 6'1", I have very, very long legs. I barely fit in this car. Oh, fuck me. Well, this is a problem. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm doing right now. I'm just unbolting these seats. Oh shit. I'm just unbolting the seats. There's more bolts on this other side. I'm gonna get that. And I think that should be it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take those off. And then we should be so the kick panel box is, hold on, let me see if I can get the camera in there. You see all those fuses? Fuck. There's like a bunch of fuses over there. I have to fuck around with that shit. That's gonna be annoying as fuck. But we gonna figure it out. This is all a learning experience. I gotta get a hex key and like whatever you want to call it down there. And get that. I think there should be 2 of those. But I'm gonna do that real quick. And then we can get the seat down and we can actually get to the kick panel. Because I gotta sit in the car to actually work on that. I tried to play around with it to see if I can do it from the outside without removing the seat, and it's too uncomfortable. I can't reach. Just no. Just absolutely not. Come on, come on. Yes. Ha! We got it! Let's go! Holy shit. Holy shit, we did that. We took a seat out, bro. We took a fucking seat out. Good shit. Alright. So what do we have to do now? Remove that. Bro, how the fuck? Ah, problem solver, baby. Done. You know what? Let me get the extension. My fucking head, bruh. Alright, that's good. Let me see. So this should just come off. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Now, my question is, oh, is that the sensor for when your belt isn't on? That has to be, right? Has to be. Hold up. Ah, got it. Alright, let's unscrew this shit. And I had to put the GoPro POV because the fuck? Bro. Damn. This is fucking impossible. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, let me show my camera. I mean my phone. It's actually yeah, no, it's good. Oh, look at this shit. Yo, there's so much shit I gotta face with this car. Bro, oh fuck. Shit. Yeah, you know what? When you remove the seat, it's pretty fucking roomy in here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, actually, no, this one's looks good shit. Yo, this is taking a lot of fucking effort. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fuck, come on. Oh, this isn't even grabbing anymore. This is the last fucking screw. Okay. Reach our big fucking Bertha. There we fucking go! Bro, there's something so satisfying about when you run into a problem and you fucking fix it. Fuck my life. I spoke too fucking soon. God. I'm really about to just pull this shit out, bro. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess. Shit. That's what I was saying. There's something so satisfying about working. No, I'll take that back. There's something so satisfying about running into a problem and fixing it. Like, that shit is it's so rewarding. It's so fucking rewarding. Cause it's like, yo, I really ran into a roadblock, but I overcame it. Hold up. Let me make an accurate sound. You know what I'm thinking about? Like, this is me starting the Rx7, right? Like, I'm doing small shit first. I'm gonna get into bigger and bigger shit. Imagine the day that I actually assemble this entire car together and I fucking go to do the first start. That is going to be the most satisfying thing ever. I don't think anything will ever beat that feeling. Like, imagine just working on a car, building it completely, and it just turns on and runs. Obviously, you know, I'm gonna need a tune and shit, but fuck that shit. I'm just gonna completely building it, everything's assembled. I turn it on, and I see that turbo spinning. I hear all the engine noises. That's gonna be very satisfying. I'm excited. It's gonna be a long ass time, but let's start now, right? Alright. Let's get there. Let me disconnect the battery now. I got my little GoPro strap on. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect the battery now. So, open up the hood. Okay. Alright. Battery disconnected, we're chilling. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let me see. I mean, they're seated better than that one. Alright. Let's just try it again.
That's such a weird, like, fuse setup.
Alright, now that that's done, I'm gonna pull this shit out, bro. This whole fucking door. Let me see. I think I might have found something too. This isn't working. No fucking way!
We got windows.
No way! Wait, do you wanna go up though?
That's crazy.
No bro, you're bullshitting me.
Why does it not go?
Yeah, why does it go? It worked though.
Does the other side go down?
No, we gotta connect that side actually. So we gotta take that shit off on that side.
What the? Oh yeah, the fucking.
Yeah.
That's right.
Holy shit! It actually fucking worked though. It worked.
Okay, so now how the fuck? Why is it not going back up?
Wait, excuse me.
That's the real question.
I wonder. What the fuck connects to here though?
Should make this right behind it.
Oh yeah, like, okay, I was reading that wrong. You're right.
What the fuck is that?
It doesn't touch. I think so.
That's
I know. Alright.
So test that switch.
The fuck is the switch over here? Oh, this one works. This one goes up and down. Along with that shit too. Oh wait.
You got the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Fucking screws are long as fuck. For any reason. They're like making sure this shit ain't backing out. Interior still rattles anyways.
True. Should be like long ass screws in there. Hopefully. I forgot what the fuck you put.
I got the one that I fucking.
I wasn't able to close the video out correctly, so I just want to show you guys what we did. All we did really was fix the window switches. I took the seat out. We took this door panel off, reconnected the switch. This is a new switch that I ordered. And then we took that door panel off, put the wires and everything back together. We took the old wires back we had that we were using for the battery, and then we reconnected the switches. So everything's working now. The only problem is that this switch is for a left-hand drive car. So this is reverse. So this left switch is for the right door window, and then this right switch is for the left door window. I'm gonna show you guys that it actually works. I'm gonna scared that if I turn this on, it actually doesn't work, just randomly, when it was working last time. Alright, so that is left switch for right window, and then I'm gonna hit the right switch now for the left window. That's literally all we did. It took the whole day to do it because we had to remove wiring, remove the chair, remove the seat, remove the wheel, disconnect the old cables, take the door panels off for both sides. It was just really little shit just stacking up together. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna continue uploading rigorously. It's gonna take me a little bit though because the editing part, I've been editing this video for 2 days because I had to sit through like 6 hours of content, and most of it is just useless. Most of it is me walking back and forth between all the tools and then back to the car. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of videos for this Rx7 back here. That's just a starting out. I'm telling you, in about 3 to 4 weeks, I'm gonna be taking that entire engine out. So stay tuned for that. What else we got? Oh, we got Peter's challenger that we're working on. I have another video coming out soon after this. It should be up this week. But yeah, you're gonna see a lot of content coming out of the Mob Garage. Mob mentality, baby, we out!
Yeah.